the channel. So as you saw me unloading the car, this is the channel's new 1987 Ford Merkur. I think I'm pronouncing it right. It is a 2.3 liter turbocharged, like 4-cylinder. It's 5-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. It's been sitting in a field for 3 years. Body looks in pretty good shape. Paint looks okay. Looks like just a clear coat is faded. Obviously we're gonna have to probably reseal this up a little bit. It needs a battery and it needs a starter. I just jumped the leads right there and it clicks. You hear the starter pull out, but it doesn't spin. So I know the engine's not locked up or anything. The engine oil is clean. And then I also just pulled it in gear and you heard the engine turning over. It sounds like it has good compression and stuff. So we'll probably do a compression test on it just in case. But as you can tell, it needs spark plug wires. You know, the whole thing's gonna be, it looks like it got chewed up by mice. These cars, unlike the Mustangs and the Thunderbirds or whatever they're called, they didn't come with an intercooler. So we're gonna take this bumper off. We're gonna put an intercooler on there and kind of reroute the turbo and stuff. Also, I'm thinking about using my GT3582 turbo and replace this. But before we do this, I wanna get some content running this turbo. I'm kind of curious as well to see if the turbo has any shaft play or anything. So there's the front end of it. And here in the interior, we got all black leather. The back window is busted out, but I've already sourced one. It does have a sunroof. I don't think it's manual or automatic. I think that's like a little crank. I'm not sure. This is like the oldest car I've ever owned. Nice little glove box. Like I said, it's a 5-speed manual. It has heated seats, electric windows. And yeah, I think the main purpose of this car is make a quick, like a little daily. Maybe we could take it to some like road, like autocross. But it's not gonna be like a drift car. It's not gonna be like a burnout thing, or maybe it will. I don't know. But as of right now, I think this is what I want to use it for. Is just kind of autocross and just play around in it. So obviously we need some new struts for that, and this whole back window is blown out. So in this video, what I'm gonna be doing is I'm just gonna be kind of cleaning the car out, cleaning all this like glass and stuff. I want to get some like cardboard put over the back window. The brakes are actually like locked up on this, so they're kind of seized. So I was hoping maybe I can get that done. That might not be this video, I'm not sure. But then yeah, I think the next video we're gonna be taking everything apart and we're gonna try to see what it's gonna take to get this thing running, because I'm not sure what it all needs. I'm not sure it was all chewed up or anything. Hopefully no gas lines are chewed up. But we'll get the vacuum in here and clean all this off. I don't know, hopefully I want to get it running so I can take it to a car wash and power wash it off, because my power washer isn't working. But yeah, needs front shocks for sure. This one's pretty low down in there. The other one's up a little bit higher. I don't think they're just standard. Yeah, I thought maybe it could be coilovers. As far as I know, this car is pretty stock, so I'm assuming it's running under original boost too. Yeah, let me know in the comments what you guys think about this car. I think it's gonna be a pretty fun build. They're really rare. They only made them for 5 years. Apparently they're pretty quick, and supposedly you can do some engine management with a ECU called PIMP, I think. And it costs, I bought this car for $800. The previous owner of this car passed away, and this car was just sitting in a field for like sentimental reasons, which I completely understand. The guy thought about giving it away. I told him that I had a YouTube channel and stuff, and he worked with me on the price, so I brought the car home. And yeah, we're gonna get this thing running. So the first thing obviously we're gonna need is, I'd say the back window, but that's kind of not really that important. So the first thing we're gonna need is a battery, and it looks like we're gonna need some plug wires. Everything else looks pretty solid though. That's still holding fluid and stuff. We're gonna do an oil change, obviously, get rid of the gas. Oh, it needs a gas tank too. I saw it out on the road, it was leaking. I don't know if you can tell it's leaking now, but it did break a strap, and I think it rusted, and it rusted a hole through the gas tank. So I'm not sure what we're gonna do with the gas tank. I don't know how hard it's gonna be to find a new original Merkur gas tank, so might just do a fuel cell and see if we can't, like, you know, just incorporate that. But you can tell this has definitely been sitting, but I think it'll be a fun little project. And as far as I know, I'm not too sure. I don't know if all these cars come limited slip or open diff, but I jacked it up in the from the diff underneath, and I spun the tires, and they're pretty locked up too. The drum brakes in the back, and only one spins, not both. You know, so like Sparta gear or open diff, one will spin one way, the other one will spin the other way. They didn't do it on this, so I'm assuming this is gonna be limited slip, which is gonna be a little bit more fun. So we're gonna up the boost on this and kind of see what this car can do. So I'm not sure if that's gonna be it for this video, or if I will show you guys it being cleaned. But it's a nice warm day, and the girlfriend and I kind of want to get out and do something. So I don't know what tomorrow's weather is going to be like, but I'm gonna try to get a little bit done cleaned up wise inside, kind of go through, and if I see anything cool, I'll obviously put it in this video. But if it's pretty cleaned out anyway, so I doubt there's anything actually in there. There's some owner manuals and work guides or whatever, and like show you how to do the stuff on a car. But I'm really excited to tear into this car and try to get it street worthy, try to get it running, maybe take it to the track, see how it does. Let me know in the comments below. Hit this video, or give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you hit subscribe, because you're not going to want to miss this build. And I know this is definitely going away from the GSR, but we'll be doing some GSR stuff too. But for now, I'm kind of excited to get this car running and going, and yeah, see what it's capable of, because I've always wanted one of these cars ever since Tanner Fowles bought one in Top Gear. So hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up. Put down in the comments though if you guys are excited to see anything about this car, or if you have any more questions about this car, because I would love to go in more detail, because I really don't know much about this car. So all right, stay different. And okay, I got all this pretty much vacuumed out. Obviously I'm not going to detail the whole inside, because I don't care about that right now. I just wanted to get a lot of the glass cleaned up. I gotta get my window cutter and cut up the seal, but for now I'm just gonna throw some cardboard or plastic over it and tape it. But I did find all this, so I was kind of worried about these wheels because it didn't have the center caps. I'm gonna be switching the wheels out anyways, but I might be able to sell these. But anyways, here's a box full of the center caps, and it's just crazy because like they're not even plastic. Like, I just find that fascinating. I'm not sure what this is. But anyways, oh wow, there's a key to it too. That's really cool. So there's 6 center caps, which is kind of weird. I only have 4 tires. There might be a spare in there, I'm not sure. Also, I found, check out the whole shop manual. So it shows like brakes, like literally everything I needed to do. Exhaust, engine. I don't know if it's a complete breakdown of the engine. Oh yeah, crankshaft removal. Oh, that's really cool. So at least we're gonna have that. So we have everything we need for that. And then it came with the owner's manual, or the guides and stuff that comes from factory. This looks like, yep. So it's kind of cool. I think these cars are like 17 grand brand new. I'm not sure what this is. Oh, so it's like some sensors. It's really cool. And I'm not sure what's all in here. It felt pretty light, so looks like we got another air. Oh, no way. I don't have to buy them. Well, that's dope. So those ones are all 8. So now we got a whole new set of spark plug wires. I wonder if there's spark plugs in here too. I'm gonna set this down for a second. Alright, so as a new distributor cap, there are spark plugs in there. fuel filter. These spark plugs look pretty bad though. I don't know if I'm gonna be able to use all of these. Like vacuum fittings. It looks like. I could be wrong. I don't know. Oh, that's like a PVC, PCE. I saw some spark plugs, I thought. How did I do it? Yeah, right here. Those look pretty, not good. They're like rusty. So I'll definitely have to buy new spark plugs. But not a big deal, at least we got the wires. Anyways, that's the only thing I found inside the car. As far as I know, I didn't find anything. Definitely was a smoker. It's kind of gross. Some sort of RCA remote. Must have had some sort of aftermarket radio in here at one point. This looks pretty factory. Well, it is factory Ford. Maybe took it out or something at some point. Has air conditioning. Absolutely nothing in the glove boxes, nothing in these little side holders, nothing in the pouches behind the back seat. I don't know if these back seats pop up or not, I'm not sure. I know the backs open up, I figured that out. And see if this opens. I don't want to break anything though, so. Nope, I don't think so. So, I won't mess with that exactly. But it's pretty sick. Can't wait to see what this car can do, honestly. But first, we gotta do the maintenance, make sure it doesn't blow up and stuff. We're gonna drive it around, like I said. The whole goal of this car is to kind of restore it, to get it driving and stuff. That's what he wanted to see. That's the only reason. He'd only sell it to somebody that was willing to get it back on the road. And, look at son. So, I promised that I was going to do that. So, I want to get it running and driving and stuff, driving down the road. I'm not sure if it's going to need suspension stuff right away, steering stuff right away. I have no idea. We won't find that out until we go to drive it. Hopefully, something doesn't break. And then after we do that, after we get everything driving and situated and it drives fine and stuff, I want to install a intercooler to see if there's any like pickup on that, because I know it'd be like a little bit colder air, but I also know that an intercooler isn't needed for like low horsepower cars anyways, so I don't think it might help with like boost range, I don't know, maybe. But then I also have that GT35 82R that I could slap on there, which is a T3 flange, and this is a T3 flange turbo right here too, so we can slap that on there and then kind of try to make a little bit more power. I want to get an air fuel gauge or AFR gauge first, make sure that we're not going to run lean or anything, and probably not, I don't know how much torque or horsepower this engine is limited to, so I don't know if it's cast iron rods and pistons, or not cast iron but cast aluminum. I don't know, so if you guys do know that, throw it in the comments. But thanks for tuning in. I think this is it. I'm gonna seal up that back window really quick before the night, because I don't know if it's supposed to rain or snow tonight. And then yeah, let me know what you guys want to see and what you're looking forward to. I'm honestly looking forward to, once this car's going and stuff, my girlfriend, she doesn't think she's gonna do it, but she's gonna do it. We're gonna blow some donuts in this to see how much fun it is. So I'm excited, and I hope you guys are excited too. This has been a dream car for a while, so you guys stay different. I know I already did an ending. I'm probably just gonna edit that out so you guys don't know about it, but you guys stay different. Hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and let me know how excited you are in the comments below, and any other comments that you guys might have. I always get back to all my subscribers and non-subscribers, but I highly suggest that you subscribe.